Hello YouTube. Quick video this, just on some little cabin interior mods I've done, which I think are absolutely brilliant. So first one, just quickly, I got a gloss black gear surround. Now I think this looks mint, not cheap, got it from Vanlife, I think it was about 45 quid. But this is a Highline model, and now I've got sort of the fancy steering wheel with all like the gloss black bits as well, and just having that next to it really does lift it. If I could do it, if somebody said to you could have only done one mod for your van, it would have been that. It looks absolutely fantastic together. And as well, in a bit of a sale, I got the bit greasy, I got the door handles to match as well. Got these in a sale, I think paid about 20 quid. I've obviously got one on the other side, but with the actual steering wheel I've got, they really set it off. And they do a lot of other bits. They do, Vanlife do sort of these surrounds, and I think they do a glove box conversion as well for a flappy lid, which looks really good. So I might get a few more of those bits, but for now I'm happy with these. But yeah, definitely recommend that. And the door handles really do lift your interior. Yeah, so I'll be doing a few more of these. I've got an exterior mods video coming soon as weather picks up, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.